Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix credits disappearing on OpenArt. So if your credits are disappearing on this platform, it's usually caused by one of the issues or the causes that I'm going to mention right now. The hidden usage, field generations, sync bugs, or account and session problems. So it's not an actual theft of credits in most cases. So actually guys, first you all need to check your generation history, and that's the most important. So the credits are often used even if the image and video failed. So to check your generation history, you will need just to go and click on your profile picture or profile icon that's located at the top right corner of the website. So once you click it, you will find an option. It says credits history. So it's the fourth option. And once you click on the option, you will find your creation history or the activity log just listed just right here. So you will need to look for the field renders, the duplicate generations, and the auto retries. And even failed attempts can still deduct credits. And also guys, they really advise you to double refresh to your account sync. That's a very common bug. So sometimes the balance display is wrong. So what to do to refresh your account, you will need just to go back and click on your profile icon or profile picture at the top right of the browser, and then just go with sign out, and then just look back and refresh the dashboard. So you only just to click on the curved arrow that's located at the top left. Alright, so this usually restores the correct balance. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.